Can international organizations like the World Bank influence the economic decisions of a sovereign nation? This is a question that has stirred up a storm of controversy in Zimbabwe. Our story begins with the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe Governor John Mushayavanhu, who recently unveiled a new currency for his country, the Zimbabwe Gold, or ZiG. In his announcement, Mushayavanhu made a curious claim. He stated that the World Bank had played a crucial role in the conception and launch of the ZiG, a notion that was quickly refuted by the international organization. The World Bank, in a statement to the Newshawks, clarified its role. It emphasized that while it does offer policy advice to its member states, the ultimate decision on policy implementation rests with the governments themselves. The World Bank's commitment, as it reiterated, is to support the economic recovery efforts of Zimbabwe, aligning with its broader mission of creating a world free from poverty on a livable planet. The controversy didn't end there. During a meeting with business executives following the launch of ZiG, Mushayavanhu doubled down on his claim. He argued that the World Bank was instrumental in the introduction of the ZiG. He shifted the blame for any perceived shortcomings of the new currency onto the World Bank, stating that if there was any blame to be placed, it should be directed at them. But the narrative took another turn. Mushayavanhu later backtracked from his initial claims. He stated that the introduction of the ZiG was a well-thought-out and purely Zimbabwean idea. This sudden change in stance raised eyebrows and fueled the ongoing discussion. So, where does this leave us? The controversy surrounding the role of international organizations in national economic decisions remains unresolved. The World Bank continues to deny any direct involvement in the rollout of the ZiG, while the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe governor's statements have added to the confusion. This controversy underscores the complex dynamics between international organizations and sovereign nations. It also highlights the importance of clear communication and transparency when dealing with issues of national importance. For now, the world watches as Zimbabwe navigates its way through this economic transition with the ZiG at the heart of it all. One thing is clear: the role of international organizations in national economic decisions is a topic that will continue to provoke thought and discussion for years to come.